So today in this video we are going to make chalk, and so let's begin. So first take a bowl and then add plaster of Paris. Now add water. Add water as required, don't make it too thick or too thin. Now add paint. I'm using over here watercolor. You can even use poster paint, acrylic paint or any paint you have. I'm making this chalk white in color. You can make it in any color you like. And now let's make the mold. So first over here I'm taking a paper and then rolling a cylinder and tape all over the paper. Make sure you tape it all over or else the batter will come out when you fill it. I have taped it completely. Now let's pour the batter and let it dry for a complete day. Yes, a complete day. Now over here I have the chalk. While removing it just broke into two pieces. And now let's test it. It actually works good. And that's all for today's video. If you like the video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And for now, bye.